Hello lovelies, so today is my project pan update. So I've switched things around. All this in here, normally it's Shop My Stash and project pan, but all this in here is project pan. And then I did a video yesterday on a bag that I'm using going forward, which is going to be all Shop My Stash. When I'm doing makeup tutorials, what I'll be doing is switching things from here and switching things from the Shop My Stash bag and just using them like that every day probably, and putting them in the black bag that I used yesterday. So let me show you what I've got that is in project pan. It's all this here. Hang on, why am I so clumsy? Right, since this mascara wanted to escape from me, let's talk about it. Essence the False Lashes Mascara Extreme Volume and Curl. I absolutely love it. It will be coming, I say this every month, it will come a time soon for me to declutter it. I like the curved wand, but for now, I think I can get a few more uses out of it. So we've got that. Then we've got some fragrance from the scent Addict. I thought I would have finished this by now. I remember saying in last month's video I'll probably finish it by next month. So we've got the Kenzo Flower by Kenzo Ikebana. There's not much left, so let's pop a bit on. Yeah, there's not much left at all. Then I showed this in my Shop My Stash video. We've got the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in Fairlight. You can see it here, there's barely any on this side, and then round here it's just, there isn't a lot left. So yeah, that's really good. I feel like the couple of things that I've done a really good progress on for the last couple of months we should show right at the end. So let's go into foundation. So yeah, so we've got the Body Collection England Illuminating Liquid Foundation. So last month it was up here, like the washi strip that is, and I couldn't tell where the foundation was. I think it's down here somewhere. I didn't get it again if I had the opportunity to get it again, but I got this from a shop that's no longer even open in the city where I live in, so I don't think I can get it anyway. I'm not too sure if eBay stock it, but yeah, that's that. I've got 3 more mascaras here, so we may as well talk about these. This is on par with the Essence, so this is the Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes. Absolutely adore this mascara. Not had it as long as the Essence one, so I just want to use it up until it kind of goes bad. I would get that Rare Beauty one again. I would get the Essence as well. Then we've got the Maybelline Sky Tubes Lash Sensational. I got this in PI from L'Oreal. I'm actually really liking it. I like the wand. This wand is thin enough to come down here, but I don't really wear a lot of mascara down there. And then we've got the Maybelline Body Lash Sensational. I bought this myself when I saw an advert and it looked great. I'm just not too sure on it, to be honest. I just need to use it a little bit more. It's very rare that I have 4 mascaras in my stash at one given time. Normally it's 1 and I use it up and then I bring another one in. Well, I go out and buy another one. I just never have 4 in my collection at that time. Anyway, oh yeah, we've got this brow lash gel as well that I need to use up. So I've just found that, so I need to start using that more. Then we've got the NYX The Simpsons 2-in-1 Brow and Hair Styler that I got from L'Oreal. I want to use that up. Oh, another mascara. Number 7 Pro Artist Instant Impact Volumizing Mascara. This is brown though, so it's a bit different from the other mascaras. I got this from number 7 in PI. I love that brush. And again, that brush is so thin you could put it there on the lower lash line. Right, so this is still in there, but it shouldn't be. I don't want to completely use this up. It's a really nice lip balm though, so we'll talk about it. So NYX The Simpsons Matte Lip Balm in Smarty Pants. So that has to go in. I think I'll put it in with my gel, my lip oils and things like that. So let's put that there. Catrice Caffeine Kick Under Eye Serum. Really, it should be with my skincare, I think, but I put it in here, so I use it. Really, really like this. A lip product that I want to finish up is the Fenty Beauty Hologram. I'm not too sure where it is, so I can't mark it, but yeah, I want to finish this one up. Lip liner that I brought in, and I've used it probably only one time, is the NYX Naturel Lipliner. It's really, really nice. Highlighters, so we've got the Colourpop Lunch Money. I want to show you what these look like. I've been doing really, really well. Soon this will be gone. And then we have the M.A.C Soft and Gentle, which has been taking an eternity to finish up. So I'm not sure how many more years I will be working on that for. Oh my goodness, and I've found another mascara. So is that 6 mascaras? So we've got the Revolution Wraplash. This is in brown as well. So I really, really like this. This is a favourite. I want to use it more. So I think I'm going to take some of these mascaras out. Maybe put 2 in and then change them out alternately. Let's talk brow products. So I really don't like this one. Fine Cosmetics Textured Touch Brow Tint. But I will use it up. I don't like the spoolie either. I think the spoolie is way, way too big for my brows. So that's that. I will use it up, like I said, and I won't repurchase. I really, really like NYX Brow Glue in dark brown. It is a bit more messier than the other one, but really, really do like it. Okay, I've been using this a lot. In fact, I want to get another one like this, but I don't think they do this Wet n Wild one here in the UK anymore. So we've got the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Hello Halo in the shade Halo Goodbye. I feel like I want to get the Rare Beauty one. It's just really, really nice. I mean, you can see down here. I don't think I'm all the way down here, but you can see. Let's just see. No, it's not showing me where I am. I've got quite a bit left though, I think, because I've not used that much of it. Then we've got the NYX Universal Blurring Balm Powder. So basically a poreless primer, which I don't think I like, to be honest, which is probably the first product of NYX that I've not liked. I've only ever tried, though, her eyeshadow palettes, I think. I don't think I've ever tried anything else. I wouldn't mind trying that Yummy Skin Primer. So hopefully I'll get like a little sample of that one day. This is only a little sample as well. My mum got me this with the NYX eyeshadow palette this past Christmas. Right, so then we've got the 17 Second Skin Enhancing Concealer. It's in the lighter shade, which I can't see what shade that may be. It's just a really, really nice concealer. It's definitely become my holy grail. Yes, it would probably be too light for some people, but I do really like a brightening concealer. Huda Beauty Glowish, right, these 2 items coming up now are what I made the most progress on. Look at all that progress. I'm going to try and find pictures of these 2, what I'm talking about now, compared to last month to this month, but I might not be able to get it. So we've got the Hourglass palette as well, and I always wanted to hit pan on the bronzer, and I did it. And the pan has just been growing and growing and growing. Look, all the way over here, it's growing. And somebody once said to me, once you hit pan on any product in the Hourglass palettes, you'll see more and more pan as you use it, and they were completely right. I'm like, I don't know about that, but yeah, I'll be so glad when I've used this bronzer up. I don't know what bronzer I then will use up. I'll probably just have to go through my collection and see what my oldest bronzer is. Anyway, this is all the makeup that I'm going to be using now in conjunction with Shop My Stash. Thank you for being here. It means a lot to me. Are you panning any products like this, or what are you panning? I'd love to know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.